Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to copy the text on rows on the table another rows in Google Docs. So let's start it. At first open your docs file. Then text copy the on rows and on the table another rows is select your all text and text is the copy control keyboard press and the control C. Then another rows is paste keyboard press and control V. Then again keyboard press and control V. Then I show the copy the text on rows on the table another rows in Google Docs. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.